news, we are learning that the national president of the Kisan Mahapanchayat now has said that they are withdrawing from the protest following the violence that happened on the 26th. Piyush breaking details of that big story for us. Piyush, so this is obviously one more crack that you see as far as the farmer unions are concerned. But does this mean that there is going to be zero accountability and no responsibility?
Indeed not. And Delhi police is ensuring that actions are taken against these farm leaders, and around 22 fires have already been registered. Deepti, what we are picking right now is that Kisan Mahapanchayat is now deciding to withdraw from the protest. In fact, they are now saying that they cannot take part in any protest which becomes violent, and that's why they have decided to withdraw from the protest. And we know that yesterday itself how two Kisan unions had withdrawn from the protest. In fact, what we are learning that today at Ghazipur border also Delhi police, in fact, Ghazipur police is now asking the protesters to leave, and more have already left, because the genuine farmers, the real farmers who were sitting there, they are also regretting the fact that there were some antisocial elements who had infiltrated into their protest, and that's why even they are now going back. This is now giving us a signal as to how the farmer union leaders who were meeting with these antisocial elements are now being held responsible, because they are the one who allowed likes of Deep Sidhu and others to become part of their protest, and that's why the large number of so-called farmers took law in their hands, and they broke barricades, attacked police personnel and entered in Red Fort. What we are picking right now is that Kisan Mahapanchayat has also now withdrawn from the protest, which is now indicating that slowly and gradually there are splits. Those are now coming out in open, because indeed nobody would be able to digest the fact that yes, there were thousands of their own farmers who reached there at Red Fort and unfurled the religious flag there and took law in their hands.
Okay, and Piyush, I'm just reading through more details that you have shared with us. This is Rampal Jat, the national president of the Kisan Mahapanchayat, who's made clear his intentions now of not associating with the protest anymore, Piyush. But if you look closely to what he says, he does say that there is a conspiracy. He's saying that we will do a Kisan Adhikar Yatra to organize the farmers in Rajasthan. We will return back to our villages, and from there we'll continue our agitation. So the point is, where is this agitation headed to now? I mean, how many people do you even see now sitting on the protest sites?
Well, Deepti, there's a statement also which right now I'm also going through that statement which we are able to access of Rampal Jat, who is national president of Kisan Mahapanchayat. He is now adding about the fact that his organization will stay out of Samyukt Kisan Morcha and fight their own battle. At the same time, they are also saying that they will be supporting this agitation from outside, and also they are saying that they are not going to vacate the roads and will continue their agitation in the villages. They are also adding about the fact that the government must not look to sneak a win, but work towards the welfare of farmers and walk on the path of Satyagraha. And that's the fourth party which is now withdrawing from the protest. Remember that till now 3 parties had withdrawn, and now Kisan Mahapanchayat also withdrawing, which is certainly giving us indications as to how there is no space for violence, and nobody can even digest the fact that that among them were there few people who took law in their hands, and that's why such statements are now coming out. Kisan Mahapanchayat is now saying that they are not withdrawing this agitation, they are not ending their protest, but they will be supporting this from outside. They will be taking out their protest at their respective villages, back at their village. This is now telling us as to how there are many who are now seeking accountability from the likes of Yogendra Yadav, Darshan Pal, Medha Patkar, Rakesh Tikat, so that accountability is fixed on them, because many people, police personnel got injured, and that is what something the farmers, the real farmers, are not able to digest that.
All right, and all this in the middle of the fact, Piyush, that the police now has intensified this entire crackdown. In fact, this image that we see on our screens again tells us that the government now is very, very clear. You know, the orders, Piyush, have been given to the police forces to ensure that all these protest sites are vacated, because, you know, you now need to get down to the bottom of who really led this violence. But what we'll do, Piyush, is now we'll make way to listen into this reaction that has just come in from Rampal Jat. Remember, he's the national president of the Kisan Mahapanchayat, a part of the union now that says, no, we are not with the protests anymore.
20 जनवरी को हुई घटना ने पिछले 2 माह से शांतिपूर्ण चल रहे ऐतिहासिक किसान आंदोलन को झटका दिया। इस घटना के पीछे लाल किले के लिए जिस व्यक्ति ने जिम्मेदारी ली, 48 घंटे होने के बाद भी उसे अब तक गिरफ्तार नहीं किया गया। इससे प्रतीत होता है कि ये सरकारी षड्यंत्र है, इसकी जांच आवश्यक है और इस जांच में ये सारी सच्चाई सामने आनी चाहिए। गुप्तचर तंत्र, शासन, प्रशासन, पुलिस, इनके साथ ही किसान नेतृत्व की चूक के कारण से ये घटना हुई। यदि शांति, अहिंसा और सत्य को व्रत के रूप में ग्रहण कर कार्रवाई की जाती, इस ढंग की घटना की संभावना अति क्षीण थी। लेकिन हम शांति और अहिंसा को रणनीति के रूप में, नारे के रूप में उपयोग करते हैं। इस कारण वो हमारे मन का विषय नहीं बनती।